Hi, I'm Jay Tourigny with MicroCare Medical. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your parts using the vapor degreasing process. The key advantage is the vapors are always pristine clean, and the real beauty of the process is you can clean almost any size or geometry part as long as it fits in the machine. The cleaning cycle starts with putting the parts in the basket. The basket is then lowered down through the vapors into the boiling solvent. The parts are fully immersed in the solvent for about 1 to 2 minutes to heat, loosen, and remove most of the contamination. The liquid temperature is about 120 degrees Fahrenheit, so the parts are dry and can be touched when they come back out. The process is controlled by a programmable logic control on the machine, allowing the parts adequate time to heat, condense, and dry. When the parts come back up into the vapor zone, the basket will pause for approximately 15 seconds. This allows the solvent to drip back into the boil sump. The next step you see is ultrasonics, which add mechanical action to the cleaning process. Immerse the parts into the rinse sump for 2 to 5 minutes. Slowly raise the parts above the vapor blanket and pause until they are dry. So as you'll see, the parts come out of the basket perfectly clean, they're dry, they're cool to the touch, and ready for the next step in your process. I'm Jay Tourigny with MicroCare Medical. Thanks for watching.